voter turnout in this country. Remember the so-called Republican Revolution of 1994? Only a minority of the eligible electorate came out to vote. Reagan's landslide victory in 1984, a majority of voters didn't approve of his policies. But more importantly, a majority of eligible voters didn't vote. That's not a landslide. That's bad citizenship. If elections matter, that's how they matter. Now, we can argue that they don't. But if they don't, why are corporations throwing those billions of dollars into them? They must matter. And you know what? If they're participating, you don't have to like it. But why does that make them bad citizens? Why does Citizens United make corporations bad citizens? Because they want to influence a desired outcome. That's what power is. That's real political power. We just don't have the leverage they have. But that doesn't make them by itself bad citizens. There are other reasons why we can be concerned about certain kinds of corporate power. But I don't think Citizens United is necessarily the most important. I'm not saying it's not important. I'm not saying that money doesn't matter. Okay? But there are a lot of other ways, including things like Tea Party movement. And again, it's backed by corporate money. Thank you, Koch brothers. Or Occupy Wall Street, or whatever it is. When was the last time you saw a significant, sustained movement of common Americans in the United States acting as good citizens to exercise their First Amendment right to peacefully organize and petition the government for redress of grievances? That's been a hell of a long time. That's good citizenship. Corporations are doing that. You may not like what they're doing, but they're doing it. You may not like the way they're doing it, but they're doing it. We're not. The overwhelming majority of Americans aren't doing it. So if you're abdicating your own citizenship obligations, then don't fault corporations because they're not. They know how the game is played, and they have the resources. Our ass is kicked already 3 blocks down the street. It doesn't mean we're done. But it means in order to counterbalance that kind of power, we need an entirely different kind of good citizenship that the Constitution provides with relatively easy access and not a lot of money. But we're not doing it. So I would just kind of caution you on this notion of declaring immediately because of Citizens United, and because of that, corporations are bad citizens, and we're good citizens.